We've gone through some of the droplet precautions, and I'm wondering if there's something you want more information about.
Yeah, because normally if I have to cough, I cough into my hand, and as long as I wash my hands properly, I should be okay.
All right. Would you like to hear about how they recommend that we cough? Like, how do we prevent our droplets from spraying everywhere?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so one of the things that recommended is that we cough into our elbow.
Oh,
Because if we cough in our hand, it still can spray out and go all over the place.
right.
So I'll just show you what they recommend. They go right into the elbow. And that would be the same too if I had to sneeze, right? I would sneeze
Okay.
right into my elbow. And then I would still wash my hands after.
Oh, I get you. Okay.
So just to make sure I did a good job of showing you that, do you mind showing me how you would cough or sneeze in the future?
Sure. And then I'd wash my hands
Okay,
correctly.
you got it.